Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming model and drive type so you pick the right tool and cable. Once that's done, make or locate a bootable macOS installer or an external clone. This isolates the system. Restart into recovery, power on, hold Command-R or Option for Startup Manager. This verifies firmware and lets you run disk utility. If the drive doesn't appear, connect the drive via adapter to a second Mac. That tests whether the controller or cable failed. You now diagnose with Focus Tools. Run disk utility first aid to fix directory structures, because this often recovers bootability. If disk utility misses errors, open terminal and run diskutil list to identify identifiers, then verify disk and the appropriate FSCK tool for the file system, apps versus HFS+. Make a block-level clone with ddresq or a snapshot clone with carbon copy cloner before any destructive operation. This preserves readable sectors, and once cloning and diagnostics are complete, you decide whether to replace the drive. Choose the correct form factor and connector because mismatches prevent recognition. Install the new drive, reinstall macOS from recovery or your installer, then restore your data from the clone or time machine. This gets you back to work fast. If the system still misbehaves, reset NVRAM and SMC to clear firmware state, and if problems persist, that's the sign to get professional hardware service.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.